Okay, so to create a loop in this video, what we're going to do is that we're going to hold Alt, then click and drag it and place it here at the end of the first clip. Sometimes either you add a transition, cross dissolve transition, or sometimes you can I just like to reverse this. Let's reverse this. Click on reverse. Yes, this is it. This is how it creates. Yes, and you can go ahead and add the first one, maybe to the back. Drag this other one, flip it here, and play it. And it goes back. Start again. And it goes back. Yes, that's it.